Top 5 biggest airplanes in the world. Number 5. Antonov AN-124 Ruslan, featuring a 73.3-meter wingspan and a max weight of 392,000 kg. Number 4. Lockheed C-M Super Galaxy. The C-M has a wingspan of 67.89 meters and a max weight of 417,300 kilograms. Number 3. Boeing 747-8, with a wingspan of 68.4 meters and a max weight of 447,700 kilograms. Number 2. Airbus A380-800, boasting a 79.75 meter wingspan and a max weight of 560,000 kilograms. Number 1. Antonov AN-225 Mriya, with a wingspan of 88.4 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 640,000 kilograms, making it the heaviest and longest plane ever built.